How to cancel Ask AI subscription. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to talk about how we can unsubscribe from Ask AI. So to do that you need to follow some steps, but before following the steps I want you to make sure to go to the video and subscribe, like, and share it. So let's get started. So if you have downloaded Ask AI into your device, and if you have bought any plans or purchased any premium plans of the given app and you want to unsubscribe, all of a sudden you changed your mind and you don't know how to do it, then I'm going to teach you how. So the very first thing you need to do is, if you are on an Android phone, go to your Play Store. After going there, you will be able to see the home page like this. After that, you need to tap on your profile at the top right. Just tap on it, and here you will be able to see the payments and subscriptions option in the middle, very middle. Just tap on it and you will be able to see the subscriptions option. Just tap on that option. After tapping on it, if you have subscribed on Ask AI app, you will be able to see the app here. Just tap on that app, and when you tap on it, you will be able to see the cancel subscription option below that app. Just tap on cancel subscription and cancel and confirm the cancellation. After the cancellation is confirmed, you will be officially unsubscribed from that app. Therefore, by following the steps, you will be able to unsubscribe from Ask AI. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.